Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Pokémon Gamma Emerald. This exciting fan-made game offers a fresh take on a classic adventure. We will walk through the straightforward process of getting it running on your computer. You'll learn how to acquire the game files, prepare them for play, and launch your journey into the Hone region with enhanced visuals and a new story. Let's get started on your path to becoming a top trainer. First, you'll need to obtain the game files. Navigate to the official source where Pokémon Gamma Emerald is hosted. Look for a clear download button, often highlighted in a distinct color, to begin the process. It is important to choose the correct version compatible with your computer's operating system, typically Windows. Once selected, the download should commence, providing you with the necessary compressed file. After downloading, find the compressed file, usually in your Downloads folder. This file will likely be in a ZIP or RAR format. Use a standard file compression tool, like 7-zip or WinRAR, to extract all its contents into a new folder. Once extraction is complete, open this new folder. Inside, you will find the game's executable file, ready for the next step. To launch the game, simply double-click the executable file within the extracted folder. If you encounter any issues, such as the game crashing or displaying incorrectly, try adjusting the in-game settings. Reducing the resolution to 1280 by 720 pixels or lowering shadow quality can often resolve performance problems. If crashes persist, try launching the game again without changing settings initially. Enjoy your new adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.